What's up, YouTube? Okay guys, so we're just going to do a rigging tip here today. So we're just using a standard 3-strand line, and all I've done is tied an alpine butterfly, took the carabiner off the end, and now this way we don't have to implement another line. He's going to keep the weight right here so it stays cinched, and then once the weight hits it, he can manipulate it past the pergola here. And the reason we're over top is because you can see that's the only tie-in point that I have, so it just helps. All right, you ready, Eric? There, now he can work together. Getting a little fancy down there, but there we go. That's how you get her done.
Okay guys, so with this tip right here, this piece, it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but it's leering over towards me a little bit. So what you can do here is I've just set the rigging line a little bit higher. So basically the tension that Eric has put on the line is going to help manipulate the piece over and away from me. Another trick you can implement, which I'll show in another video, is you can have another guy go above the porter wrap and pull the rope towards him, and that will also help manipulate the piece in the direction you want. Okay guys, so this right here is a nifty little trick when your rigging point starts getting a little further away, or you just want to mitigate some of that swing. So what I've done is I've just placed a carabiner between the two ropes just above the rigging, as you can see there. And then basically what happens is as I send this piece off, that carabiner will drop and actually start to slow the piece, and it'll slow it a little bit initially already, as you can see here. Another trick you can do is you can actually use a small carabiner and clip a throw weight to that carabiner, and that will help it drop and stabilize even faster. Okay guys, so this is more of a rigging technique than it is a hack, but basically what we're doing is we're going to span rig this piece, and what this enables me to do is get this larger piece of elm in between the 2 points where you can see I have it tied here. It also distributes the weight and helps spread the forces. Using the DMM small impact block here, it's a really great block. It's actually quite a large piece, and right now I will show you the other view so you can see exactly what that looks like from my point of view. Alright guys, so this is me just simply speed lining a top, but you can see that it's a co-dominant stem, so I decided to use two slings on this, which is a nice little tip just in case that splits with the forces. And then what I've also done is put the gates of the carabiners opposing, so that way if one comes undone, or you know, because they're actually not triple locking, they're just the twist and push, so that's another little tip you can use.